Parents ask me every day, what do I do so magical with children that they become so joyful in the 9 days of emotional well-being program? Hi, I'm Diksha Vadva and I have worked with over 5,000 children all over and curated this 9-day emotional well-being program using evidence-based tools and techniques. What happens in this emotional well-being program? Children learn to effectively deal with their emotions in just 1 hour every day, and I ensure that. They learn how to respond positively to authority with utter calmness and certainty. They learn how to deal with difficult people, how to handle peer pressure, how to trust in self, and earn more love, more respect from everyone around them. They also learn a clever and a sneaky way to change any unwanted behavior or any unwanted habit, and they love this one. I also teach them tools that help them tap into their own power and acquire a positive internal state whenever required. This workshop gives them an edge over others, and people will want to know the secret of their newfound energy. This program is only for 9 days, but it is packed with powerful processes and techniques that are fun filled on every single day, and they get a set of wellness gifts as bonuses. Does this excite you, dear parents? So get a seat for your child now and let joy flow all around them. 9 days, 9 hours, and your children will know how to be the best version of themselves. See you soon.